I went down the deepest corners of the internet trying to find wheels for this Raptor. Hours of scrolling, comparing, and talking myself out of like 15 different options. But then I found them. And once I did, we were out the door. So we're on the way to discount. Our appointment is in 22 minutes. I think we're gonna make a quick pit stop and then we'll see you guys when we get to the store.
Was that cool?
Yeah, that's sick. All right, we are on our way to discount. Our appointment is in 11 minutes, but we need a little pit stop. You know what I mean? So they have not seen the wheels yet, and you have. How do you think they're gonna look on the track?
I feel like it's the first thing that you'll do to Raptor, and then it will like start a little fire for doing other things, and it'll like all be cohesive, you know?
Yeah, wheels make a huge
difference
on vehicles for sure. Now, how has it been dealing with me searching for wheels 24/7 on my phone?
Quiet, lonely.
Love it. Well, we have an appointment to get to in 8 minutes. We will catch up back at the store. I sneezed. Dang, these spots are tight. They're not meant for Rapties. This is gonna take a while.
Rotation, you want an X pattern then?
Yeah, if we can. There's some cupping on those. I think the shocks are shot.
You want to take a seat? I'll go grab that.
Cool. Sounds good. Thank you. Appreciate it. Are you freezing? It's so cold. After getting tired of the cold, we came into the waiting room, and that's when we saw the wheels for the first time. Once the team got the tires mounted, everything started to click. And while watching the wheels on the balancer, you can already tell that they were going to transform the Raptor. What do you think?
They look sick.
Are they gonna rub?
Yeah.
I think so too. She needs a bath. She's very dirty. All right, moment of truth. It's probably gonna rub with the 37s, but we shall see. They rub a little bit.
They rub a little.
But it's not that bad. We can try.
It's not that bad.
Court has seen the wheels. I have only seen them from the front and the back, and they look freaking aggressive. I haven't seen a full walk around yet. We're about to go to a spot so that I could actually see him. I'm excited.
I'm gonna catch his reaction.
I don't want to look. Hold on. Let me take it in. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Holy smokes. It is way wider. It looks mean. I love it.
It looks mean.
Yeah, it looks so
Check him out in the
good.
sun.
It looks more compact, wide. Oh my gosh, they look so good. It feels so different driving though. It feels way more planted and just...
It genuinely feels like we're more like solid on the ground.
Around corners and stuff. It feels like there's less body roll, which I didn't expect at all. All right, overall, huge success. Court, any final words?
I'm excited.
The only thing that we have is a little bit of rubbing inside of fenders. It's really not terrible. We could do a slight trim job, a little trim job, you know what I mean? I'm tired though. This was a lot to film one video after not filming for a while. But I think in the next one, Court's gonna do her first ever solo car mod. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be something on the Raptor, and then we gotta figure out how to trim these fenders. We will catch y'all in the next one. See ya!
See ya!
What in the hell? You're trying to rush it.
I'm so confused.